Hello friends, today's topic Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank business update. See without fail. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. The quarterly results for October to December 2024 period of all listed companies will soon be announced in the coming weeks. Before the official quarterly results announced, some companies announced certain business figures for the benefit of investors. Bajaj Finance has announced its business figures on Friday evening. Bajaj Finance business figures are as follows. New loans booked quarter ending December 2023 98.6 lakhs, quarter ending December 2024 120.6 lakhs. Total customers quarter ending December 2023 8.04 crores, quarter ending December 2024 9.71 crores. Now business figures, other parameters, deposits, quarter ending December 2023, 58,008 crores, quarter ending December 2024, 68,800 crores. Percentage change, 19% improvement. Assets under management, quarter ending December 2023, 3,10,968 crores, quarter ending December 2024, 3,98,000 and improvement of 28%. Bajaj Finance previous quarter financials. October-December 2023 net profit 3,639 crores. January-March 2024 net profit 3,225. April-June 2024 net profit 3,912 crores. July-September 2024 net profit 4,014 crores. As per business figures announced, the growth in all parameters was better than expected. The business update was good. The company achieved the largest ever quarterly increase in number of customers, adding 50.3 lakh new customers in October-December 2024. Bajaj Finance also reported its highest ever quarterly new loan booked at 1.2 crores in October-December 2024, which is a 22% growth compared to October-December 2023. On January 2, Citi maintained a buy rating with a target price of 8,150 per share. Due to this, Bajaj Finance rallied by 6.5% on Thursday. We need to see how the actual results will be when announced in the next few weeks. We will make a separate video on the quarterly results once it is announced. We need to see if the consolidation in Bajaj Finance continues. It has traded in a range of 6,000 to 8,000 for 3 years. Now, mini fundamental analysis. Bajaj Finance 52 weeks high 7,830, low 6,188, current price 7,407. For an investor, 1-year returns minus 4%, 3-year returns minus 1 CAGR, 5-year returns 13% CAGR, 10-year returns 36% CAGR. Now, continuing the matter of the video, similarly, HDFC Bank has announced its business update. Quarter results for October to December 2024 will be announced soon. HDFC Bank business figures. Deposits. Quarter ending December 2023, 22 lakhs 14,000 crores. Quarter ending December 2024, 21 lakhs 63,500, an improvement of 16%. Assets under management. Quarter ending December 2023, 25 lakhs 28,700. Quarter ending December 2024, 26 lakhs 84,000, improvement of 6%. Advances, that is loans given. Quarter ending December 2023, 24 lakhs 69,300 crores. Quarter ending December 2024, 21 lakhs 42,500, an improvement of 3%. HDFC Bank previous quarter financials. October-December 2023 net profit 17,718 crores. January-March 2024 net profit 18,013 crores. April-June 2024 net profit 17,188 crores. July-September 2024 net profit 18,627 crores. As per the business figures announced, growth in deposits was good, but the growth in loans was weak. This is below expectation and weak business update. HDFC Bank shares will react to the results on Monday. Already on Friday, HDFC Bank shares fell by 2.5%. We need to see what happens tomorrow. Mini fundamental analysis, HDFC Bank, 52 weeks high, 1,880, low 1363, current price 1749. For an investor, 1-year returns 4%, 3-year returns 4% CAGR, 5-year returns 7% CAGR, 10-year returns 14% CAGR. End of the video, here is the question. Do you hold Bajaj Finance or HDFC Bank shares in your portfolio? If yes, type the name of the company, otherwise type no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.